Kipai Riewngeit jangka Balang Unitarian haka kharpra tarik nailur arhajar arpusan kila Rakhe ya Jingdap shispa laipu pra Snem nadu basanyaka da ubabu hajom Kisor Singh haki than shathe lamingi jangkari India. Ka Balang Unitarian madan laban kala Rakhe yakni kasngi da kajinga seng ka bakerpang ban aingu ya ublei ban perkhat bat puson shaphang ka Jinglong koridor jangka jinget teli ban shakri ya ka long briu man briu. Hakni ka jinga seng ya ka balau wan ya shembenta de kinong yalam ki Riewngeit ka Balang Unitarian unong mi khmat shaka yeng dor bar thawan ka Lok Sabha u Dr. Ricky A.J. Sengkon kumu kongsan u MDC ka laban mau prem u ba Ricky Shulai kumu sembut kongsan bat kiwei de. Hakni ka sngi la sedang ya ka jinga seng da ka jing tebe ya ki mombati kum ka dak jang ka jing shai bot sa ka jing ruai pediang buram na ki khna Sunday school. Lapan ya ka jinga seng da i rew shai bahar rangat ka jing duai na i krau bok lengdo ka jing kran na ukong san Dr. Ricky Sengkon bat ka jing ruai na ka Unitarian Church madan laban. Lapan po pen ping shu ya ka ni ka sngi da ka jing tem jing put na ka Home Guards Band.
Akabai nila menyerulang kumni, nado kipara dengan kitemen kisan kisenran di kentai kiramba kisama kikena bakihat kibarit kumju rupa kiangai yagalan akabai kipara jo kipara senang kipara tahu jo kene kadong katai. Kinong mikmat badan burung jong kejala kejongi kinong menyalam nyam kibadan burung kibana kinyam kiboper kibalawan man nyedon bentaran barni hari resmi agawang nya kemen nya soba barbani nya Rakhe badan burung ya keterteng ngebokui tamne kejongpi da kajingnya menyelam akan resmi dapsan sispa laipura jong kanyam manewebre kebaije kejong nikan mau kopa yang nong senang majongi babu hajong Kisor Singh nomri sispa laipura san menjual reseng nikan kanyam hari ini kilo kasih jantia kumta kopa kalana roy kalana yar hari kasih jantia riboy ban karya kumsu ingat sen kopa bagai resmi baro Balang jong kanyam kejongi dia Rakhe belum kumba ni Rakhe ka hakani resmi Midak dari solo kopa na kenta kini baro kibaplele na kenta jo. Jangan kenta kasi kuntre yang resmi. Kita kesengan bakenang roy kenapa kenang he hal panginang la punya baken roy baken frau ka. Winyalam silputai yang jingfrau kekerjaan buat Khubor kejauh. Nama berdetang mobil kekenrat, keberdon buatan, detang mobil kekenrat, bos datang, berdetang mobil kekenrat.
As Unitarians, inspired by Hajam Kisor Singh and guided by God's image within us, each one of us, I firmly believe, we are called to walk in the path of the Good Samaritan. Let us be reminded that we are not created for selfishness. We are not created for indifference. But we are all created to reflect God's love by caring for one another as brothers and sisters. And therefore, make this day of anniversary, as we celebrate the 138th anniversary of your family. Yet, through this short message, remind each one of us to live by the Samaritan small. What is mine is also yours. believe that if our life, each one of us, if our life is guided by this motto, I am very sure and very certain that we can build a community where love, reason, and unity will shape everything in it. Therefore, before I take my seat, let us all rise up, let us build and be the harbinger of hope, of peace, of love and joy for today. And with that, I'm sure that all of us are present here. We can ensure a better and brighter tomorrow for all of us who depend on each of us. May God bless you, and may God bless your congregation.